This is random for 14-15 Artifact Hockey 2-box break. We're going to randomize. We're going to start off by randomizing this card between the Devils, Red Wings, and Predators. So we're going to randomize that 3 times, and the person on top will win the card. So here we go. We got Devils, Red Wings, and Predators. So here we go, guys. 1, 2, and good luck. 3. So we got 3 times. It goes to the Devils. Congrats to the Devils on that. Just gonna write that down. Perfect. Next we have between the... Oh, I'm just gonna check for that one. Duncan Keith and Rick Nash. Okay, just gonna check. Okay, someone in here probably knows that, but gonna check which team Rick Nash played more games for. Whether it's the Rangers or the whether it's the Rangers or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yeah, that'll be for the Jackets. Since the year of the break, since the year of the Artifacts 14-15 was Columbus, and he's played more games with Columbus, that'll be for Columbus. So Chicago and Columbus 3 times. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, and 3. Good luck. So 3 times goes to Chicago. Congrats to Chicago on getting that card. And that does it for us. Tundra Tandems dual jersey. Duncan Keith, Rick Nash. To the Blackhawks. Thank you guys for watching.